Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $51 every 30 minutes just watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, I have a Instagram, and I'm trying to get my followers up on there. Can you please go check out my Instagram and give me a follow after you watch this video? And please drop a DM if you have any questions about my videos or any suggestions on future videos that you want me to make. Now please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. Once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which is coming soon. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website. Name of this website is called ZoomBucks. First time telling you guys about this website. Okay, you're going to earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, and doing offers. Now, right here, you can sign up for free, and you can use your Facebook or Google account to sign up. Now, this is how it works. So step 1, brands. Brands, they want engagements. Then step 2, we recruit members. Step 3, you do online actions. So this is what this website do, guys. They have brands that's looking for engagement with their products. This website recruits you, and you do the actual tasks that these brands want you guys to do. And as you can see over here, here are the payout rewards. So you got Google Play, Robux, PlayStation, Microsoft Windows, PayPal, and Amazon, and you got a lot of other ways to get rewards on here. Now let's just scroll down here and see what people are saying. So here are some testimonies. So this person right here says, ZoomBucks is really good. I had some problems with redeeming a reward, and I opened a ticket and they respond very fast. This person right here named James said, it is very good site. I am very happy to join with them. So we got some happy people on here. Now, what you're going to do once you come here, since we're talking about watching videos, you're going to click right here where it says watch videos. It's going to take you to this page, which I'm going to show you how watching videos work. So it says here, earnings as far as the eye can see. Advertisers want eyes on their ads. Instead of paying for airtime on TV, they work with sites like ZoomBucks for guaranteed exposure to members such as yourself. Whenever you finish watching a video, you get paid. It's simple. It's very simple, guys. So you sign up and complete your profile. They just want basic information like your name and email. And then you find a channel that interests you. So they have a wide range of interests like sports to entertainment to lifestyle, guys. So you're just not going to be watching any random video. You're going to get to pick what you like and watch those type of videos. So you're going to start watching, which is step 3. So remember, you have to watch the entire video to earn from it. So you got to watch the entire video. It's not like some of these other sites where you just watch 30 seconds. You got to watch the whole video. But that's no problem. You're going to be watching something that you like. Then you're going to accumulate points. So after you finish watching the video, points will be credited to your account. Then you'll be able to watch more videos so you can earn more. And then you redeem your points as cash or gift cards. Now you have to collect at least 3,000 points to be able to claim your reward. And check this out, guys. You will receive your reward in your inbox within 48 hours. So you're going to get paid fast, guys. You don't have to wait a week, a month, 2 to 3 months. You're going to get 2 days, guys. You're going to get it in 2 days. And again, here are the rewards you're going to get. Now, if you're into Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, you'll be able to get some Bitcoin also. So guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this website. So it's a very good website. I suggest you check it out and see if you want to go ahead and sign up and try to make some money. So just go ahead and go to ZoomBucks.com to get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. Now, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I like to do shout outs. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Please keep watching my videos. Please share my videos. Keep hitting that like button. All right, guys. So that's it. Road to 7,000. Let's get there by the end of October. It's October right now while I'm filming this. So let's get there by the end of October. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and please have a prosperous day.